Hello guys, thanks for jumping back into my channel. This is MindYourCrypto. My name is Bill and today we are going to make a technical analysis and the price prediction for Harmony 1. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. Thank you so much for the support, and let's make an intro into Ethereum against Bitcoin, because I've got a lot of people asking what will Ethereum do after it hit the all-time high again, and I'm going to show you something that I think this is a pattern of where we will go in the next days. And here guys, we formed a significant higher high and a higher low. Therefore, I think that we will form a higher high again in the next days. Nothing to worry about guys, and there's no risk involved right now in Ethereum. I think that is the safest investment right now, one of the safest of course. Another one safe investment due to halving and the demand is of course Bitcoin. But let's proceed quickly now to the Harmony. It was a quick intro guys. Thank you so much for being patient. And right now we got this MACD blue line here, which is about to cross and go beyond the signal line. You can see here it is going to cross and go beyond even further in the signal line above the blue line, which means we will go in a bear scenario or even sideways scenario. But this is not the case right now. I want to show you guys something that Harmony has done, okay? And this is the higher highs and the higher lows. Still we see this minus correction going sideways a bit, because it is a very healthy for a coin to do that after such a pump up. I will go to the 4-hourly frame later to show you guys what I mean, what I'm talking about. If we fall down from here, we're going to test some minor support levels again. But I repeat the if word because I think Harmony will do fantastic in the long term, especially in the long term, but we need to see in the short term what we'll do, because after this pump up it might have a correction, might not, it might even further going down, but we will see about that. Nothing to worry about guys. And let's go quickly now to the RSI and the CCI. You can see here we had an overbought situation for quite some time now, and now we are inside the box, inside 30 to 70 for the relative strength index. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see it more clear, and the CCI index inside the box again from minus 100 to 100. So I expect RSI to go a bit sideways, maybe even a little down, but sideways again. And I want to see, due to this line, to this bottom line, I want to see going sideways. I want to see Harmony going sideways or even up on this line. Okay, if it doesn't do that, I want to see it going sideways. I don't want to see it going lower than this line again. But of course, it might be a little correction, so it might not be something to worry about after all. Okay, so that's it for the RSI. As you can see here, it is very important to always check both of these indexes. I especially think that CCI is better for the short term, of course. Okay, but the RSI index is always better for the mid-long term. And of course, I take into consideration both of these indexes as well. So let's see how these will do. They might go even sideways or a little bit downwards. It will be okay, it will be very healthy. I repeat that it will be a very healthy action for Harmony. So why did we have this correction right now? That's because this resistance line over here guys, you can see June 2019, we are in Harmony against Bitcoin, and you can see here the 2019 we had this resistance level here, and of course we hit that at 2021 again. So that's why we had this huge sell pressure here, because we tested this resistance line over here, which was previously formed according to the historical data. Of course, that doesn't mean we can't go upwards and we can't break through. But the main point here is that it needs to calm down a bit, to have its correction, to let the 20-day and 30-day MAs reach that, okay, be the support level or even the resistance for some times, okay, and then it will all be fine again. So let's go and proceed quickly to the Harmony and USD 4-hour timely frame. I want to show you here, guys, what we have done. New higher highs here, upwards here, guys, new higher highs and new higher lows. But you can see here the angle, it's not like more into the sideways, it's not like horizontal, more horizontal like this one. It has like a 45 angle degree. If I had to take this line here, then you can see this angle here is much more than this angle here if I had to do the same line. This means, guys, we will go a bit sideways, even correcting a little bit, but it is absolutely fine. We are still forming higher highs and higher lows. And what I saw here that I liked very much is that here we formed the higher low, here we formed the higher high again from this point, and now we formed a higher low at 31 March yesterday from here. That means we might even go a little bit further upwards, guys, a little bit further upwards. We will see that in the next days, in the next hours. We might as well proceed to a little top again. Okay, but that is just one thing that could happen right now. And we need to wait and see, but for the midterm, long term, I think Harmony is going to do great. Let's see now something very beautiful, guys, something in the 4-hour frame again in the USD. You can see here the minor corrections it had and how it was like minus 24, minus 25, minus 23, around there, guys, minus 22 to minus 25, okay, and minus 26 almost here. That was a huge sell pressure, and you can see I'm a little off here. I could be a little more upwards. I could take this and go upwards a bit. Okay, so nothing to worry about here. I'm gonna do this right here. So we are in minus 24%. So what does this mean? It means that it is correcting around there, then going upwards again. We can have two scenarios here, one going down, testing this support level again, and one forming this higher low here and going upwards, which is very likely to happen. We will see in the next few days, but look how beautiful it is that we have almost same percentages minus minor corrections here after forming higher highs and higher lows as well. So let's see now the market cap of Harmony One and what is the potential in the future for this coin. Right now it sits at 0.18 almost USD, circulating supply 9 billion almost, and 1.5 700 right now. It might reach market cap in dollars, billion, okay, 1.7 billion market cap. So what does this mean? If you multiply the circulating supply with the price, you get the market cap. I think it is still cheap, guys. I think it has a lot of potential. I've heard some talk about like $50 Harmony. It won't happen, guys, neither by the end of the year. I don't think that's a possible scenario. $50 Harmony would be like to go 300x. I mean, we should go like 300 billion or so. Okay, it's very, very unrealistic. I don't think it will happen by the end of the year. Let's be more realistic. It can do like a 10x, a 5x. It will be much more realistic to do that, okay? And it can do that, and it has the potential to do. But right now, we need to wait and see, guys. We are in a level that we need to see the sideways pattern if it makes a higher high again, or if it stays here and makes some minor corrections which are absolutely healthy for the coin. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and see you soon with more videos. Bye.